Hi everyone, this is Go TV. As you can see now, since 4 hours ago we start protesting.
We are protesting.
Protesting is going on now, right now in Awka. And what I don't like about the protest that some people are not turning up.
Yes.
You can see, people are not turning up.
I don't know why.
Biggie, why are you not turning up about this protest?
I don't turn up.
Yeah?
I don't turn up.
Are you sure?
Cry, nothing to drink.
Only Iyoka Shout is turning up about this protest. Are you not turning up?
There's no light here.
Okay, only Obodo is turning up about this protest. These are hard.
People are dying of hunger.
Yes.
No food, no water,
no drink,
no drink, no leather, no Allah, no life.
Biggie, are you protesting or not?
Yes.
You can see that we are protesting, but we don't like the turn up. I beg, wherever you are now, come out, let's protest. Wherever you are, come out, let's protest. We need more masses. You can see the turn up is not funny. We need like 100 men here to protest. Men and women, come out, let's protest. Come out, let's protest. Remember that I need Badroma. Remember that Igbo land is not good. Come out, let's protest now. Dear me for the location of the protest. You can see. Over 4 hours we just started. We are about 12 in numbers. We need people to protest about this. The condition of country is not good. Come out, let's protest. I see Go TV. I love you all.